To get started, what we'll do is make the directory first using the mkdir command. So make, and let's name it website. And just to confirm, you can use the list command, which is shortened to ls. And as you can see, the website is created. Now we navigate into the folder itself, which is the command for that is cd website. Inside the website, when you list, you can see the directory is empty. We need to create the index.html file. You can do it in two ways. You can either use the touch command, you can touch index.html, or simply you can use nano index.html, and that opens the nano text editor. Okay, to get started, the first thing you should do is initialize the tags, the HTML tags. I'll start with the HTML tags, and then the closing HTML tag. So we have an opening and a closing tag. Inside HTML tags, there are usually two other main tags, the head tag and the body tag. So we initialize those as well, the head tag, and then we close the head tag. Okay, now we have the body tag, and then we close the body tag. After initializing, I'll add some spaces just to show. Okay, not there, but actually, yeah, and then okay, just below it a little bit, yeah, just like that. Now inside the head tag, what we will do basically is write the title tag. The title tag is the one that displays the title of the website on the tabs on your browser. So let's call our website Linux course, and then we close that title tag. Now for now we'll just the head tag will just contain the title tag and the website name. Now we'll just go to the body and add maybe a title. You can use H1 Introduction to Linux. And then we'll close that using the backslash in the name of that tag. Below that tag, I can add a line, which is the HR, or the horizontal rule. The P tag represent the paragraphs. So we can now write a paragraph. Let's say this is the introduction course by Bornelabs, brought to you by Lance and Allah and Brian. Okay. And then we close that paragraph tag, and I think we have already finished our very simple basic website. So there are other tags. We can add images, we can add videos, but for now we can run and see what this simple website looks like. Okay, so we can close that. Closing, you Control O, enter Control X. Now that we have our index.html file, we can now host it or serve it on a port. And to do so, you'll use the command python 3 make http.server, and you specify a random 4-digit port. It can be 8000, it can be 6789, it can be 9000, but any random number. So let's use 2300. That's a decent number. And as you can see, it's serving that HTML document on that port. So when we navigate to our Chrome browser, I'm using a Chrome browser, and then we type localhost semicolon and the port we chose, 2300. And as you can see, we have our site. We have the title, Introduction to Linux, and the paragraph, and of course the horizontal rule.